friends, good evening to everyone. Today I am preparing a chicken. I added some ingredients in a chicken, that red chili powder, salt, ginger paste and turmeric powder and chicken masala. Later I mixed some curd and I mixed all the ingredients in it. I kept for few minutes aside. Later I put an oil in a pan and started putting this chicken in that, and it was cooking now. It will be very tasty if you do in this way. And we can put some kothmir, pachimichi and pudina. It will look very wonderful and it will be very awesome taste if you eat in this way. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.